Welcome to Best Car Fixes and Ford Explorer 2008. This is another computer.
Yeah. That's the most. Okay. That's what I meant to actually. The rim is the most important.
You cannot change the VIN number unless if you change the computer completely. You have to program it. So I'm gonna go turn the ignition off. Is this the VIN number?
The VIN number, the last four is 0941.
Okay, so this is not the VIN number.
No.
Now I gotta put it. Give me the, read it for me.
You want the last four?
No, all of it.
All of it? 4M.
4.
Mary.
Mary, hold on. Mary. 2.
E, like in Eva.
Echo, okay.
Umbrella.
A as an umbrella, right?
4.
Or U?
Yeah. 47.
Hold on. 47.
You got umbrella 47, right?
Yes.
Eco.
Eco.
48.
4.
Umbrella.
Okay, 4. 8.
Umbrella. U. Jacket.
Hold on.
Okay.
So, umbrella 47, Echo 48. You see after 7.
Umbrella 47, Echo 48.
Okay.
Umbrella again.
Okay.
J jacket 10941.
Okay, 4 Mary, 2 Echo, umbrella 47 Echo, 48 umbrella John, 10941.
Correct.
I'm gonna say yes. Connect. As build data. Don't wait for it. You have to do this quick. Wait for it. Is what? Montaneer?
Yeah, Montaneer.
Montaneer.
Mercury Montaneer.
Explorer, Explorer, Aviator. They all sharing the same computer, by the way.
It's a Montaneer.
Um, 357 is not, right?
Not correct. That's
This
the correct one.
Vous étiez où là, man? Je vous cherchais.
Non, je suis là à côté. C'est ça que tu programmes la fois passée, non?
C'est le. You see, it taken it before never.
Before it wasn't a thing I know.
L'autre jour, j'avais programmé ça, mais les pièces c'est différent. Yeah, we did it. Okay, now we're gonna wait for it. Yeah, you see, PCM program. Ou bien pourquoi cette démarche ne démarre pas? Here is the software, the right calibration for it, and everything is good. Okay.
Man.
I'm gonna clear all the codes. Now if you go out and you come back again, you're gonna see that you're gonna see the computer have the original VIN number. I'm gonna show you a few now. Sometime as soon as you clear the code, you're gonna go back to the main, you're gonna see it change. Working with electrical cars are very complicated and you need patience. You're gonna see here, okay? You're gonna see what's gonna happen. Just let me show you. When I come here to the car information, you see?
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, jump forward. Yeah, it's finish. So we are good now. There's a delay for the starting, or that's normal?
No more ABS.
No ABS, no.
Yes, good,
Yeah.
good.
Thank you.